Hello everyone, in this GitHub tutorial we are going to learn how to use GitHub, like how we can sign up on GitHub, how we can push our code, how we can create a repository, and how we can collaborate. Let's learn how to sign up on GitHub. So we have to go on the sign up page of GitHub and click the sign up option. Here we have two options, either we can continue with Google, or if you have a Apple device, so continue with Apple. Or you can fill the following details and create your account. To create a new account, you have to click on the sign up option. Since I already have a GitHub account, so I'll click on the sign in option. I'll go with the continue with Google and then this. So here comes my dashboard. You can check your profile by clicking on the profile. So here your all the repositories will be shown. Okay. So our next task was to create a new repository. So for that, we'll need to go to the home. And to create a new repository, we'll have to click on the new option. And since I already have a basic calculator project, which you guys can understand very easily, so I'll create a repository for that. I already have its description. Visibility to public, readme on, and now create repository. So see, your repository is being shown here. So now we are gonna see how we can commit changes in our readme file. So for that we have to click on the edit file. I already have my description copied, so I'll paste it here. See, it's correct. So I'll go with the commit changes. So we can see our changes has been put in. So guys, our next task is to push our code to GitHub. For that we need to click on the source control, then on the open repository, then we have to copy the URL of this, our repository of that ATM project. Okay, and we have to add this here. Now we have to click on this three dots and on the remote option, then add remote. Then again we have to paste the URL of the same and provide the name and provide the name origin. Okay, now we have to name it as the first commit. Click on the commit option. So guys, we'll next see how to add collaborators to our repository. So here I'm getting this option, invite collaborators. I'll go with the verify via email. Then I'll type the code. It's taking a bit long. And then now you can uh, add collaborators or make a team from here, like from the add people option. You'll either search them by the username or by the email, and then you'll add to their repository, and then they'll receive a notification. You also have this option with the settings, like settings collaborators at the top, and then add people, type their username or their email, then add to repository, and then they'll get a notification, then they'll accept that invitation, and then they can collaborate with you. Okay, so guys, now we'll learn how to clone a repository. For that we'll have to go on the vs, and here we'll get an option for the clone. So you have to paste the url of that code. So we'll get from there https. We'll have to copy it, then paste it. Paste it here. We'll have to check. Maybe I'll do it. Select as repository direction. And here we can add it to workspace. So we can see our repository is being cloned. We can see our repository here. So this was a very basic GitHub tutorial in which we have learned how to sign up on GitHub, how to create a repository, how to push our code, how to collaborate with our team members, and how to clone our repository. So I would suggest you all to make your GitHub account as soon as possible, and if you face any issue you can contact me via comment section. Okay? Thank you.